Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are doing another alternate card using elements from the October 2024 Paper Pumpkin Kit called Nests of Christmas. So I'm going to be using one of the large red birds, one of the large boughs of greenery. I've used the tag die in the Merry Tags and More dies, the add-on set. And I've got a basic white card base, and I've cut the card base out of, or I've cut the card front out of one of the card bases. So this is down to 5 1/4 by 4. So I'm just going to pop it on just flat mounted, and then we'll build the front of the card. Okay, so pop this on like this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the little scatter dots from the kit, and we're just going to pop some on here like snowflakes. I'm assuming that's what they are supposed to be in this kit. I don't know. But we're just going to pop them on and around like this. And just keep going all the way around like that. Okay. And then we're going to take our bow and we're going to pop it on the front. Let's just place this for now. We're going to flat mount this piece. So we're just going to pop this in here like this towards the top, like that. And then we're going to put the bow on the bottom, but we're going to dimensionalize the bow. So I'm just going to pop some dimensionals on here like this. We'll pop that up, and then we'll put the cardinal on top of that, and we will just need to add our greeting. And once we've done that, here we go. We're just going to pop this on here like this, and then I'm going to also dimensionalize the cardinal. And we're just going to pop that like that. Just put a couple on there. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of fit the bird in behind. The bird doesn't have any feet. So I'm struggling to make it look like the bird is not just floating in air. So what I'm doing is just tucking him in like he's sitting on the bow like that. Okay. So it's where he doesn't have feet is kind of hidden. It's, I don't know, it's a thing for me. Let me just see. I've got a piece that I cut off here. Nope, not going to do that. So what I need for the greeting is a little tiny piece of paper. I'm going to pull my, this is like a 1/4 inch. This is an edge that I've trimmed off. And I'm going to stamp Mary. Then I'm going to stamp Mary again. And again. And we're just going to trim that out. They don't even all have to be the same size. I'm just going to pop those out like that. Just trim that off again. This one off here like this, and then trim that down and like this. Okay, and then I'm going to use mini dimensionals on these. I'm going to put a couple on each one, and we're just going to pop that greeting out. There we go, and a couple more. One of the options is just to stamp the Merry, Merry, Merry on the card and then do the snowflakes around it. But I wanted just to pop this up, just punch it up just a little bit. So we're going to peel these backings off, and we're going to pop this one down like this, and then this one down. You can put them all in a line, or you can stagger them. I'm just going to pop them down in a line. So Merry, 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 and then you can put your whatever greeting you want on the inside. And like that. So there we go. there is our, what are we on? We're on our 4th alternate card, using elements from the October 2024 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So stay tuned for 2 more alternates.